Hey y'all, let's make some beef tips and noodles today. Super easy supper recipe and everybody's gonna love it. Haven't made these in a long time. It popped up on I was scrolling the other day and popped up as a recipe and I thought, oh yeah, I haven't made those in a while. So we're gonna give it a try. So what you're gonna start out with is some, I went and got some stew meat and I got 2 packages. These are about, well, yeah, not even a pound a piece, so you can get a bigger package if you want. I got 2 of these, so I'm gonna take these over and rinse these off first, and then we're gonna put them into our little rocket crock. Okay, so I'm gonna use, this is my Pampered Chef rock crock. I called it a rocket crock because you know why? Because I rename everything. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, I got my stew meat in here, and now I'm gonna do about a 1/4 cup of butter, because butter makes everything better. Then we're gonna do 1 can of, this is cream of mushroom roasted garlic. You don't have to use this, I like it, it's one of my favorites. So I'm gonna put this in, and we're gonna salt and pepper it as well. So I'm gonna use some coarse black pepper, about a teaspoon of that. And then we're gonna do kosher salt. About a teaspoon of that. All right, and then we're gonna use this French onion. Now, if you have French onion dry packs, you can use that and just put a little bit of water in, but this is super easy. You can get this at the grocery store in your soup section. And now I'm gonna fill both of these cans up with water, and then I'm gonna put it in here. So we're gonna put both of these into our mixture here. I'm gonna put a package of this Pioneer, I like Pioneer brand brown gravy. I just think it's the best. So I'm gonna put a package of this in, and then we're just gonna give it a stir. All right, so here we are, we have everything in here. You're just gonna pop the lid on, 8 hours. So I'm gonna do mine for 8 hours. So you just set it and forget it. And this is gonna be so easy, it'll be ready. You put it on before you leave for work, then you'll walk in the house and you'll be like, oh my gosh. I am the most amazing chef because this is gonna make the whole house smell so good. And then when you get back home from work, it's so easy. You just get some noodles, and I like to get these extra wide egg noodles. And these are so easy. They take about 9 to 10 minutes. You just put on some boiling water, make them up, and then you just take this and serve it right on top of your noodles. Oh, sorry. So whenever this is done, I'll show you how we put it all together. This looks so good. And I think everybody will love it. It's delicious. Perfect for fall time. Everybody's gonna love it. So you guys come and see me here at Local Flavor, because I love seeing all my Okies and my friends and my family. Not just my Okies, my friends that I've made from everywhere. I'm sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. And I just love everybody, and I want you all to have a great night. We'll see ya.